you tired of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle? Ready to make 2024 your year of financial triumph? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome back to GrowRich, your guide to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Today, I've got 3 tips for building wealth in 2024, backed by new data and research. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things wealth-related. Tip 1. Invest in cryptocurrency. Let's kick things off with tip number 1, the world of cryptocurrency. It's not just digital coins, it's a pathway to financial empowerment. If you are new to the world of cryptocurrency, allow me to provide you with a brief explanation. Cryptocurrency is digital money that you can use to buy things online or trade like stocks. It's not issued by a bank, but it's secured by encryption. Cryptocurrencies exist on a public ledger called a blockchain, which records all crypto transactions. Think of it as digital cash that you can use to buy things online. However, it's important to know that cryptocurrency is a highly volatile and speculative investment, and it's important to know the risks involved before investing. Some digital coins tend to get more press than others, but that doesn't necessarily mean they're the best investment. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, do your research and make sure you understand the technology behind it, as well as its growth potential. Why is it important? Well, recent data suggests that the cryptocurrency market is projected to grow by 8.62% in 2024, with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the charge. Now let's get practical. First, open an account with a reputable cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Start small, maybe with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. Research is your best friend in this journey. Tip 2. Start a side hustle. Moving on to tip number 2, the side hustle revolution. It's not just extra cash, it's a pathway to financial independence. A side hustle is essentially a business you run alongside your full-time job. New data supports the idea that over 50% of people have reported increased income through side hustles in 2023. Now, let's turn this into action. Identify your skills and interests and find a way to monetize them. Whether it's starting a blog, selling on Etsy, or freelancing on platforms like Upwork, the key is to enjoy what you do while generating income. Tip 3. Invest in real estate. The timeless wealth builder, real estate. It's not just properties, it's a pathway to generational wealth. Real estate has proven to be a solid investment, and current data indicates that property values are expected to increase by 5% in 2024. Let's identify how real estate works its magic. At its core, real estate values tend to appreciate over time, presenting owners with a twofold advantage. Firstly, you have the potential for capital appreciation. Your property's value increases as the market flourishes. Secondly, the power of leverage comes into play. Unlike other investments, real estate allows you to magnify your returns by using borrowed money, commonly known as a mortgage. Now, let's uncover the secrets of making money through rental properties. Imagine having your money work for you while you sleep. Rental properties offer a consistent income stream, with tenants essentially covering your mortgage and expenses. This cash flow not only stabilizes your financial foundation, but can also be reinvested for exponential growth. But the adventure doesn't end there. Enter the exhilarating world of house flipping. Here's the play-by-play. You identify a property with untapped potential, invest in strategic renovations, and then sell it for a handsome profit. It's a high-energy strategy that, when executed with finesse, can yield substantial returns in a relatively short period. Now, let's get you started. Research the real estate market in your area. Look for undervalued properties or those with growth potential. Consider options like rental properties or fix-and-flip projects. Work with a reputable real estate agent and do your due diligence before diving in. There you have it, 3 actionable tips to pave your way to wealth in 2024. But remember, knowledge without action is like having a key without a door. Take that first step. If you found value in today's insights, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications. Your journey to financial success starts now. Don't wait until 2025. Start building your wealth today. Whether it's diving into cryptocurrency, exploring a side hustle, or venturing into real estate, take action. Remember, commitment to your goals is the key. Until next time, stay wealthy, stay inspired,